Good morning. As promised, here's part 2 of life lessons learned through running. If you missed the first one, head over to My Sports D and check it out. There is always going to be someone who is faster, in better shape, or stronger than you. Don't compare yourself to others, focus on you. Communication is key, but do so in a respectful manner. We can't read one another's minds, so if you want something, ask for it. Setbacks will happen. Many times it's the lows that teach you the most and allow you to reach the top later on. No one follows a perfectly straight path. Get comfortable being uncomfortable. Everyone feels some type of discomfort in the race or workout, but you have to push past that. Don't worry about the things you cannot control. Focus on what you can control. For example, your attitude, your work ethic, and how you treat others. Your mind is a powerful tool. Think positive thoughts and be mentally tough. You'll be surprised what your mind can accomplish. Listen to your body, take care of your body, and know when it's time to rest. Recovery days are just as important as hard training days.